Torrential slide value equivalent to $35.8879 a coin. The present exchanged cost range: $35.4003, $37.5815. The earlier day close: $36.7579. The change was 0.8700, 2.37%. Converse rate: United States dollars to Avax. Torrential slide gauge for May 2024. Initially cost at $33.39. Excessive cost $41.44, while low cost $33.39. The normal for the month $36.74. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $38.73, change for May 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $38.73. Exorbitant cost $48.08, while low cost $38.73. The normal for the month $42.62. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $44.93, change for June 16.0%. Torrential slide figure for July 2024. Initially cost at $44.93. Excessive cost $55.77, while low cost $44.93. The normal for the month $49.44. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $52.12, change for July 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at $52.12. Excessive cost $56.81, while low cost $49.37. The normal for the month $52.85. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $53.09, change for August 1.9%. Torrential slide estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at $53.09. Exorbitant cost $59.07, while low cost $51.35. The normal for the month $54.68. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $55.21, change for September 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2024. To start with cost at $55.21. Exorbitant cost $59.31, while low cost $51.55. The normal for the month $55.38. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $55.43, change for October 0.4%. Torrential slide estimate for November 2024. First and foremost cost at $55.43. Exorbitant cost $60.46, while low cost $52.55. The normal for the month $56.24. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $56.50, change for November 1.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2024. Before all else cost at $56.50. Excessive cost $62.87, while low cost $54.65. The normal for the month $58.20. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $58.76, change for December 4.0%. Torrential slide figure for January 2025. Initially cost at $58.76. Excessive cost $63.42, while low cost $55.12. The normal for the month $59.14. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $59.27, change for January 0.9%. Torrential slide cost expectation for February 2025. First and foremost cost at $59.27. Exorbitant cost $65.87, while low cost $57.25. The normal for the month $60.99. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $61.56, change for February 3.9%. Torrential slide conjecture for WALK 2025. Before all else cost at $61.56. Excessive cost $68.05, while low cost $59.15. The normal for the month $63.09. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $63.60, change for spring 3.3%. Torrential slide cost expectation for April 2025. At the outset cost at $63.60. Excessive cost $78.94, while low cost $63.60. The normal for the month $69.98. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $73.78, change for April 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for May 2025. First and foremost cost at $73.78. Exorbitant torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $76.73, change for May 4.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at $76.73. Excessive cost $85.39, while low cost $74.21. The normal for the month $79.03. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $79.80, change for June 4.0%. Torrential slide gauge for July 2025. To start with cost at $79.80. Exorbitant cost $95.70, while low cost $79.80. The normal for the month $86.19. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $89.44, change for July 12.1%. Torrential slide cost expectation for August 2025. First and foremost cost at $89.44. Exorbitant cost $89.44, while low cost $74.75. The normal for the month $83.50. Torrential slide cost figure toward the month's end $80.38, change for August 10.1%. Torrential slide figure for September 2025. Initially cost at $80.38. Excessive cost $80.38, while low cost $62.79. The normal for the month $72.77. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $67.52, change for September 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at $67.52. Excessive cost $83.80, while low cost $67.52. The normal for the month $74.29. Torrential slide cost conjecture toward the month's end $78.32, change for October 16.0%. Torrential slide conjecture for November 2025. Before all else cost at $78.32. Excessive cost $78.32, while low cost $61.18. The normal for the month $70.90. Torrential slide cost gauge toward the month's end $65.79, change for November 16.0%. Torrential slide cost expectation for December 2025. In the first place cost at $65.79. Exorbitant cost $65.79, while low cost $51.39. The normal for the month $59.56. Torrential slide cost estimate toward the month's end $55.26.